So today I am going to talk to you about COVID vaccines in patients with hormonal disorders. So why this topic is because of the rising concern among patients with hormonal disorders regarding the COVID vaccines. So the most common question, whether I can take a coronavirus vaccine while I have a hormonal disorder. The answer is yes. You can go ahead with taking a vaccine for coronavirus while you have a background hormonal disorder, be it diabetes, be it thyroid, be it growth hormone disorder or adrenal insufficiency, whatever it is, you can take the vaccine provided your underlying disease is reasonably well controlled by your treating physician. Now, the only contraindications for coronavirus vaccine is any previous allergic reaction to COVID vaccines or any of its components. And also the patients who belong to the category of pregnancy, lactation, or children below 16 years of age cannot take COVID vaccine for the reason that we still don't have data regarding this category of patients. Now, the second question is whether this hormonal disorder patients should take vaccine. Again, my answer is yes. Being a doctor, what I would say is any patient with chronic illnesses, be it diabetes, for example, they are immunocompromised. So they are at risk of a more severe COVID infection, complications due to COVID infection, and long-term consequences. For this reason, they should get themselves vaccinated so that they can protect themselves from the COVID infection. Now, the third most common question is which vaccine to take. It's always a hot topic. As of now, we have 4 vaccines available in UAE. One is the Sinopharm, second is the Pfizer, third is the AstraZeneca, and fourth is the Sputnik. Whichever vaccine it is, you can go for the vaccine which is available to you, because all these vaccine goes through the same phases of safety testing, efficacy testing before reaching the markets. So none of the test has been bypassed during the process. So you can go for any of the one which is available to you. Then the question is, how did it reach markets so fast? Because of the hard work of many doctors, many scientists, many technical experts all over the world. So what I would say is, let their efforts not go in vain. Let's make use of their hard work and protect ourselves. Now, coming to the next question is, what are the side effects of this vaccine? Does this vaccine have side effects? Again, the answer is yes. Just like any vaccine, not just the COVID vaccine, or any medicine that you take, everything has side effects. So likewise, COVID vaccine also can have side effects like headache, fever, myalgia, rash, injection site pain, injection site redness. So if at all you develop any unexplained side effects, please visit the nearest healthcare facility. Now, one of the most common, another question that patients ask is, Doctor, is there any other way of protecting yourself from COVID infection? Again, the answer is yes. You should take care of yourself. You should have a good lifestyle, find time for exercise, good dietary measures. And if you have any background illness, you should take care of the background illness in a proper manner, treat it well, and get it controlled. In addition to this, there are certain supplements which would help the immune system to act much better, like the zinc, vitamin D, vitamin C. All these supplements would help you fight infection better. So what I have to tell the public is, let's all stand together and fight this coronavirus pandemic. Thank you.